Let's be real, bro. In 2025, women don't just have options, they've got algorithms working for them. Verified guys sliding into her inbox. Men with money, muscles, and smooth lines all trying to get her attention. Emojis, likes, comments, she doesn't even need to leave her house. She can open her phone right now and find 5 new guys offering attention. Just like that. So here's the real question. How do you stand out? How do you make her choose you, not because you begged, not because you bought her things, not because you pressured her, but because she feels something with you that she doesn't feel with anyone else? Let's break it all down, based on real psychology, and what's really happening in dating today. Stick with me, because I'm about to break down exactly how to stand out, based on real psychology, and what's really happening in modern dating this year. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and watch to the very end, because every step builds the full formula. Let's go. First, let's talk about the hidden trap most men fall into. Validation addiction. A lot of men base their self-worth on how quickly she texts back. If she replies fast, they're confident. If she replies slow, they start doubting everything. That's not confidence. That's emotional gambling. And the truth is, women can feel it. They sense when a man is seeking validation instead of standing in his value. If your self-worth changes based on her responses, you're not leading, you're reacting. And in 2025, a man who needs her energy to feel good about himself doesn't stand a chance. So here's the rule: don't chase validation. Anchor your value. Now let's break down the steps to make her choose you, even when she has options. 1. Be the calm in her chaos. Most guys are chasing her with anxiety. Blowing up her phone. Double texting. Panicking when she doesn't reply fast enough. But women don't choose from pressure, they choose from peace. In a world full of noise, be her silence. When she's used to men begging for her attention, the one who stays calm becomes a mystery. A magnet. You don't need to chase her. You need to become the place she feels safe around. Because women are naturally drawn to emotional safety more than looks, money, or attention. 2. Show her you have options, but you're not thirsty. This isn't about bragging or showing off. It's about how you carry yourself. When she senses that other women respect you, and other men admire you, yet you're not chasing anyone, she starts to wonder why you're choosing her. That curiosity builds attraction. It's a psychological effect called preselection. If other people value you, she's wired to assume you have value. So live well. Have standards. Let your presence speak for itself. 3. Stop trying to impress her, start expressing your standards. Most guys are performing. Spending money, faking confidence, saying what they think she wants to hear. But high-value women don't want a man who worships them. They want a man who knows his own worth. Instead of saying, "You're so beautiful, I'd do anything for you," say something like, "You're attractive, yeah. But I really value loyalty and emotional maturity." How do you show up in a relationship? That flips the script. Now she's thinking about how to impress you. It's called the reversal of validation. What people have to earn, they respect more. Be kind, but be rare. 4. Mirror her energy, then elevate it. Some men overpursue. Some undercommunicate. Both are a turn-off. The real power? Matching her energy, then leading. If she's giving 40%, you give 40%. Then gradually move to 50, 60, and watch her follow. This creates balance. It shows you're aware and in control. Don't give 100% to someone giving you 20. Meet her where she is, then show her where she can go with you. 5. Make her feel understood, not just desired. Every guy is telling her she's hot. That she's sexy. That they want her. Almost no one is saying. You seem like someone who's strong for everyone else, who's strong for you. That's what cuts deeper. That's what builds connection. Compliments are everywhere. But emotional understanding? That's rare. Women connect through feeling seen. If you can reach her heart, her body will follow. Ask better questions. Be genuinely curious about her mind, her past, her values. That's how you leave a mark. 6. Don't be too available, but always be present. When you're too available, you become predictable. And predictability kills attraction. That doesn't mean you ignore her. It means you have a life, a full one. Have goals. Have a routine. Make moves. Let her see that you are fulfilled with or without her. That shows discipline, not dependency. People value what's rare. When your time is limited, it becomes valuable. Be there when it counts, but don't always be on call. 7. Build a life she wants to be a part of. At the end of the day, looks fade. Money comes and goes. But a man with vision? A man with a mission? That's unforgettable. Are you building something? Are you moving towards something greater than you? When a woman sees a man who knows where he's going, she starts thinking about how she can walk beside him. Purpose is attractive. Direction is powerful. Build your life, and invite her into your world, not the other way around. Let's bring this home with a real example. One of my friends met a woman who had over 150,000 followers online. Guys from everywhere were trying to get her attention. Instead of chasing her, he stayed focused. He didn't overgive. He didn't text too much. He didn't fold when she pulled away. She told him, "You feel different. I feel safe with you. You don't want something from me, you're just solid." They've been together ever since. That's what happens when you're the calm, not the storm. The man with vision, not the man with fear. Now, here's where most guys still get it wrong in 2025. They overtext. They overthink. They overgive. They lose themselves trying to impress a woman who hasn't even earned their energy. They make her the mission, instead of focusing on the real mission. But the man who leads himself, builds himself, and controls himself? He becomes the man that no one can ignore. So here's your checklist. Be emotionally grounded. Mirror her energy, then lead. Live with purpose, not just passion. Stop chasing. Start building. Make her feel safe, not smothered. Ask deeper questions. Stay disciplined, and stay rare. Because in 2025, she has options. But most of those options are average. Be the one who's different. Not louder. Not flashier. Just more focused. More grounded. More in control of yourself. She won't just choose you once. She'll keep choosing you, every day, because she feels something around you that she can't find anywhere else. Become that man. And if this message helped you in any way, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below, tell me which point hit the hardest. Or share your story, I read every one. And share this with a brother who's still chasing instead of building. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay focused. Stay sharp. Stay solid. Peace.